We're back, baby. Back and on something different. Still pearl white though. I don't know if that's a bad thing. Didn't have the best luck with the last pearl white Grom, but hey, things is beautiful. Hey, look at that. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro. I've had it for a while, not gonna lie. I had it before we got hurt, actually. If you haven't seen the video, the last video or the one before that, I ended up fracturing my back and breaking a rib. Had it like 2 months before that, just never got around to making a video. I was slacking. But here we are, all healed up, cleared from the doctor to get back on the scooters. Where's this guy going? Got Trey out here on his Durs and Tristan on his YZ 125. Things are brand new. Oh boy. I don't know how the Grom's gonna like this. Held up pretty good.
It died off the whip, my gas was off.
That's scary. Carburetor things. Whew. Feels good to be back. Fell on its face. Ran out of power right there. Grom's pretty much stock. It's got like TST front blinkers, rear blinkers, some kind of fender eliminator. I don't believe it's TST. What else? It's got the previous owner put a front sprocket on it. I don't know exactly if they went up or down. Whew, it's going off the road there. Woo! Get that Durs up. Hey, let's go. That thing sounds so good. Oh, so good. Phew. Other than the blinkers and the sprocket, this thing's pretty stock. She's a ripper. Definitely need some bars. Managed to lay it down about 2 days after we got it. That's why this lever's broke and blinker's a little floppy. But hey, we got all the stock parts for it. So we're gonna put them on there and get her looking all crispy and pretty much OEM for the most part. My mom really wants to learn how to ride, so this might be the scooter she learns how to ride on. If y'all want to see that, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to make a video trying to teach her how to ride. Scared from a Grom, but probably an entertaining video for you guys. Out of power again. I'm gonna pull over for these cars. Woo. Big ditch for a Grom. Still recording? Blinking. What we want. We like it blinking. Golly, I bet the wind noise and that whistling was horrible. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, we got a new helmet, new mic, new GoPro mount. Finally got one of them chin mounts. Well, I've had one for a long time for my Simpson helmet, but that's a story for another day. Parts on back order. Yeah, helmet is not actually mine. My buddy let me borrow it, so appreciate him. It's a Shoei, so it's a very nice helmet. I really just want my parts to get off back order for the Simpson because I really like that helmet. But I went ahead and got a mount for this one because I've been using a dirt bike helmet for the longest time and the audio hasn't been the best. I'm sure you all can tell, a lot of wind noise, and I don't even know if this is going to fix a lot of the wind noise. Really hoping it will, so here we are. Hopefully whenever I go to edit this video, I'm really stoked on the quality of the audio. Let's see what the baby Grom does with the sprocket on the front. I think it's a bigger sprocket, so that means it should have more top speed. Well, I don't know. But I know that the stock one needs to go back on there because look at this. We're going down the hill and we can hardly reach 70 or can hardly hit 60 mile an hour. That's not very good. I'm pretty sure Groms should hit like 70 going down the hill, right? Especially with a pipe on it, you would think. I think I ran off and left them. Sure did. But look at this. Empty lot for a second. Nobody's home. Nobody's home. I really want to get those circles down with no foot down. I can hardly do them with the foot down. What am I talking about? I should probably work on that first. But I was watching videos the other day of guys doing them with their foot up and it looks so cool. Oh, oh, oh. Got a quarter of a circle. What'd you find over here, bud? That's a little booter.
Yeah.
See what the Grom's talking about. Not hitting it too fast though. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No grip, no grip, no grip. Please go straight. Woo! There's enough to bottom the forks out. Okay. Oh boy. Bye. He's got it. He's going to get the road. Ooh, so close. Not really. Might need some air in the back tire to drift. Oh. Yup. Yup. Them Grom tires sound good. Yup. 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 Woo! Alright, I do love the Groms, and the Grom is probably my favorite bike right now. But I wish it had 4 more horsepower, man. It just needs 4 more, like enough to pull it up at about 40 mile an hour and keep it up when the front wheel starts to go down. Dude, the Grom would be perfect, but it just doesn't have that. That's pretty much my only downfall of the Grom. I don't really care about it being a little smaller size, a little more compact machine, you know what I mean? It doesn't really bother me. It's the power that leaves me wanting a little bit more, a little bit to be desired. Because see, I gotta do this, going 42, get down about 28, second gear to yank it up, you know what I mean? And still about throwing my back out. So good. If there's no wind noise going like this, oh boys, we're cooking. We are cooking, guys. Where are we going? Where are we going? Straight? Come on, we ain't got much more storage left on the GoPro. we're cooking. We're cooking. Wrapped. Absolutely wrapped. If I pulled it anymore, I'd break the throttle cables. It's a beautiful thing. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? This is a good top speed run right here. This is absolutely flat. Come on, 52, are you kidding me? Give me more, give me more, give me more. We got 53. We're just cruising. This is pretty underwhelming, but hey. That's all we get. Pop. I think we missed our turn. Woohoo! Oh no. No. My bag was open the whole time, but thankfully my wallet, truck keys still in there. Spotted what looks to be a volcano over there. Definitely want to go check that out. Got AirPods. We're good. We're good. Thankfully we didn't lose nothing. I don't got that. Yep, that was going south real quick. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. This is the jump right here. Woo-hoo. Yes. Yes. That's what we need. That looked like a good little double for the Grom. Here we go. First tee. Alright, we doubled the first one. I don't know if there was a second one, but that was sick. Yo. Oh my goodness, I bottomed out the forks on the face on that one. Yo, this dirt is perfect for the Grom. Perfect. Well, maybe not this. It's a little rough right here. Woo! Alright, we're gonna drift right here. Oh! Woo! Woo! Good girl. Good girl. What'd he find? Yeah, the Grom's not taking that one. Woo! Yo, that one looks so tempting on the Grom though. Nice. Little hip jump type thing. That one looks doable on the Grom. But then again, if I land in these things, that would not be very good. Woo, little wheel tap. Uh-oh. Alright. Probably let her cool down for a second after that one. Kind of forgot to film an outro for that video, but here we are. I ended up finding out which sprocket the previous owner put on the bike. It was a 17 tooth, so I went ahead and put the 15 tooth back on here, as well as a 1-finger lever. One of my buddies sold that to me from the Grom group, so appreciate him. Now we got one of these Stunt levers I've always wanted, but just never wanted to cough up the 80 bucks for one. Hopefully it'll fit on something else. If we ever get another bike, I can just kind of throw it on that. But yeah, as always, I appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.